Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G52, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications, expand it, and locate the toggle, which for me is right here, battery saver. Once you find it, simply tap on it. It will give us a little pop-up right here. Turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activities, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. So let's select turn on, and there we go. It is right now running. So there is a lot of things happening in the background, like for instance disabling mobile data and Wi-Fi when you're not using the device when it's in sleep mode, which will result in you not getting any kind of notification that are internet reliant. But once you wake up the device again, it reconnects and syncs up everything. And I'll give one little last kind of like tip for people that are trying to save their battery. Battery saver doesn't really extend the battery that much. It might give you maybe an hour with all the things that it's changed, like for instance dropping the refresh rate, dark mode, and all that stuff. But there is actually a way better option to extend your battery, which is just dropping your max brightness. Now if you're running your phone at almost full brightness, obviously you'll get the least amount of battery life, but if you drop it by like half, you will receive additional, like I would approximate it maybe 3 hours of battery life. So it does give a decent chunk of battery, just because the phone doesn't need to waste so much energy on lighting up the screen. So I highly recommend utilizing that, assuming you can. Obviously if you're outside, this probably like direct sunlight, this probably won't be a viable solution for you, but if you're indoors and you can see the screen at half brightness, that's great, utilize it. And going back to the actual toggle of power saving mode, you can tap on it again to disable it, and everything will go back to functioning normally. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.